Today is my second session with Pepper, who, as you can see, is super anxious about me. Yesterday I worked with her and it took about 20 minutes to get her to calm down and to get a leash on her and walk her. So today's goal, yes, is that goes quicker and we go for a bigger walk, and I want to see if I can get her playing with her favorite ball that her owner gave to me as well. So with Pepper, I'm really trying to be as non-confrontational as possible. So we've been doing the tree toss game, and this is already improvement. I mean, you didn't see the entrance, but the fact that her tail is already relaxing a little bit, like I'm tossing the treats away from me, as well as past me, and then every now and then she gets to eat one from my hand. I don't pet her, I don't try anything like that. Yes, I'm trying to establish a good yes marker, yes, to show some curiosity, and to be as non-confrontational as possible. Like, what I do not want to do is give her any indication, yes, that I am going to encroach on her space, and do stuff that she isn't ready for. I'm trying to build this relationship of, look, you can trust me. And then the goal is that the owners can have people over easier, that we find a pattern, that we can introduce people faster, because apparently she does this with people, even if she's seen them like lots and lots of times. And yes, to see if we can get her to come to public places without completely freaking out. So that's what we're going to try and do today. Hey, girl. Good girl. So she's calming down a bit. Like, my ultimate goal is to be able to walk her today, but I don't think we're gonna get there. So what I'm gonna try and do is build a whole lot of obedience, just to build faith, and maybe some box work if I can get her to do it. So I'm going to try and add a marker word. Yes! Good girl. Then I'm gonna toss one away, small one. And then every time she gets a treat from my hand, I will say yes. Ready? Yes! Good. Yes! Yes! Good job, girl. Good job. So we're starting to build like communication skills, right? Marker words are all about communication. Toss one. She comes back. Yes. Yes. Toss one. Yes. So yes is gonna mean treats coming from my hand. You can come take it. Yes. Ooh. Moved my feet. Oh no. Good girl. Papa. Good. Alright, she's on lead. That's what I wanted. Okay, so she ran away straight away, so I'm just gonna give her a little reward, and then we're just gonna go outside and see what happens. Come on. Come on. Yes. It's that one. So the lead is on. Let's see if she will follow me. Good girl. And we're just sticking in the backyard for now because I don't want her freaked out. Good girl. And she's slinking away, but she is much better on lead, which I wasn't surprised by, than she's off lead. Good girl. Good girl. Look at you go. Nice work. Did you want a treat for that? Nice. So she jumped straight into my car, and all I need is more treats. But that's okay. She can wait there if that's where she feels safe. So she's a bit stress yawning. I'm okay with that. We don't need too much more because she's already had heaps. But just a few for the walk. Good girl. I don't know if you realized, but I haven't petted her once. I haven't put my hands on her once. Because she's suspicious of people. And me petting her is going to confirm that suspicion. You ready? Come on. Good girl. So the rules for this walk is walk. Just walk with me. Right? I don't have any need for her to walk loose leash, to not react to anything. This is literally just, how about we become friends? Good girl. Yes. So I'm using that yes marker that she knows. Every now and then she gets the treat. And we're just gonna have a bit of a walk. Nothing too crazy. Good girl. Look at you. You're doing so good. Alright, so we're almost home. And I'm going to see how she goes. Letting her off leash again. I think I'll walk her back to the backyard because she seems to like being in the backyard more than in the house, which is fine. Peppa. This is also the most dangerous part. See the anxiety? Good girl. Good girl. I know, and the barking is back. There you go. What's this one? Yes. Get that. Ready? Yes. Good girl. What's on your head? What did you do with your head?